What's up?
Spotted a moose up here. See if we can get him on film. He was up here on top of this hill. He took off into the woods, man. I'm back here off the beaten path again. I almost got stuck, but I fucking hit the floor. I floored it, man, and got out of a hole. You can see I got mud all over my shit. Like I said, I wanted to keep my machine clean for the winter. But it doesn't look like that's going to happen. So I might have to take it down to the car wash sometime next week. But yeah, that moose bugged out on me. This is an area that's almost impassable. There used to be a bridge down here I built, but I think over the years it either got washed out or some jackasses took it down. But we used to be able to get across there and head over to Big Lake, but now it's kind of impossible. I'm not sure what side trails, like back through here, go over that way anymore. But yeah. Come on, baby. I don't know if I want to go back that trail or not. There's a trail that cuts over to the right up here. I think we might have passed it. I might have to go back. But I'll show you where I came across anyway. Trail. I'm going to head down that. This is what I just crossed. And I slowed down to like a trickle. And I just floored that fucker, man. I'm like, come on, bitch. But yeah, you can see my trail. Like, I don't know if I'm pointing at it, but you can see my tires over there. And I came across and I hooked it across this mud puddle, came over this way, and then came right up back up here, through here. But yeah, almost got bogged down in there. myself backing up. Mirrors, man. Going, Jeff. I think I know where this goes, but I'm going to try it and see what happens. Trail's like a hard pack. It's almost froze. Well, should be driving into the sun. I can't see shit. Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't know if I want to try this. Yeah, I'm not really sure where the hell this goes, man. To be honest with you. I know what's over there, but getting over there is the issue. And this shit isn't froze up all that much yet. It's only been freezing for about a week. So yeah, not gonna risk it. I gotta go back the way I came, I guess. Hopefully I can get across it without an issue. But yeah, if that was froze over a little more, I wouldn't worry about it. want to do this.